All right, you guys. So this is the 9-patch snowball block. And as you can see, I didn't add it row by row because I thought it would be easier to do it this way. So you can really see each block by itself. So we have 36 squares and we have 8.5, I'm sorry. And we have, 8 half square triangles, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So as you can see, this block is really simplistic and it is beautiful. You can really put your personality in your scraps in this block here. So 9-patch, it is beautiful. And these are hexagons right here. So with that being said, I'm going to go and I'm going to put her together so I can bring it back so you guys can see exactly what she looks like all done.